Hello everybody, how you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Lessons. I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea, and we're moving on to video number 3 for our video series of our top 5 favorite salsa moves. Let's get started. I got some comments from you that I could help more by explaining in more detail. The reason I kept the video short so far, I'm not gonna make this one huge, but I kept it a little bit shorter because, well, YouTube algorithm favors shorts, but I'm gonna skip that. I won't care about that and help you out with every little key point that I believe will be helpful for you to execute these moves better. So we're gonna start off with a simple basic turn to a sedenda. It has a few tricks to it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Tip number 1, 1, 2, 3. Notice my left hand, the lady's right hand, 90 degrees in the armpit. Tip number 2, your right hand when the lady is turning. If I do it without the lady's right hand, you should go inwards to the left and at the same time swivel your wrist. And third, yes, there's 3 things we want to execute, is swivel and lower the hand down. Try not to squeeze it with your thumb. So look at it here, 1, 2, 3. Lower, let the lady turn naturally. Next up, we're going to bring this left hand with a circular action, that's my left hand, the lady's right, over the head and let it drop behind. I'm not doing it with counting right now, but I am scratching down a little bit so I make this easier for my lady. Now here's the key point for this one. Number 1, let's consider we are in the sedenda position. I'm doing it like this so we can see this better. We're gonna lower the hand and swivel the wrist so the back is looking down of our palm and then throw it downwards. If we do this in slow motion and just let it drop, you see her hand is stuck there? It's not coming down on time and we need to do this fast. So that's tip number 1, rotation and throw and catch and scrunch down. Now, the last tip and very important, our timing, 1, 2, 3. Just before the lady finishes the turn, we start rotation and we're ready to open up on 1. Notice how much crunch down I am? Yeah, I know I say that all the time, but that's the reason. Open break backwards, small step, 1, 2, the Copa. I came to this angle to show you. You see where my left hand is? It actually bends the lady's right hand all the way to the back. Now from the drop and catch, again, open break, left hand behind the lady's back. The right hand, the thumb is up and it gives a push forward support for the lady. Now we execute something like a crossbody lead to a half a turn. We're gonna let go of the left hand and don't worry, the lady's hand will stay there if you touch softly on the lady's belly. And we have connection right here in the back. We step forward, 1, 2, 3. Easy, but whew. Let's see, so we don't hit the lady's head. Trick number 1, 1, 2, 3, very slow now. 5, watch my right arm. It is not touching the lady's back. If it is, you're gonna hit that head. So more back and the right hand's elbow pointing up to the top. Don't go like this, because we're gonna hit the lady. Whoop. And I twist the whole body down to make it look more cool. Left hand all the way inside, smell the armpit. Now to continue, the lady steps back, and guys, we're gonna do a whole rotation to the right and bring this hand to our neck. That's my right hand, lift up the left and turn towards the lady. We're going to start turning now to our left, not the right as before, and place this on our belly, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I hope I didn't over-explain it. If you have any questions, let me know in the description. If something I went overboard, let me know as well so I can always improve upon my videos, because it is very hard teaching through a video and not having that 360 help from watching the teacher. Let's go with counting and then to music. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Crunch down, 6, 7. 1, 2, Copa. 5, 6, catch. Mark the 1, 3. Careful, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I love this part.
you.